Hello class 6, this is exercise 2.4 and today from this exercise we are going to do question number 6, which is find the greatest number which divides 773 and 1313, leaving a remainder 8 in each case. Okay, so these questions I'm going to solve now. Okay, as you know that a few days earlier we did question number 3 and 4. From question number 3 the problem was prime factor. We have to solve these questions with using prime factorizations method, and in question number 4 using the method of division method. Okay, and I hope rest of the questions you all practice it at home. And now I'm going to do question number 6. This is a word problem type questions from this exercise. Okay, so I have already written these questions in copy also. Okay, find the greatest number which divides 773 and 1313, leaving a remainder 8 in each case. Okay, so I'm going to solve it. Okay, everybody look at this video and try to understand. Okay, solution. First, the remainder for 773. Okay, and 1313 are 8 and 8 respectively. Okay, why I have written 8 and 8 respectively? Because the remainder of both the number here is 8. We are already telling here in the questions 8 in each case. The remainder 8 in each case. That means the remainder of both the number, this 773 and 1313, here given both the two number, the remainder of this two number is 8. Okay, so that's why I have written here the remainder for 773 and 1313 are 8 and 8 respectively in solutions. Okay, after that the required greatest number is, okay, is the HCF of 773 minus 8. We should subtract this remainder from the number. Okay, 773. After subtracting this number we will get 765. Understood? And in the same way we should subtract this remainder from 1313 also, like this way. As a result we will get 1305 only. Understood? Well, these types of questions if you will get, okay, that time don't forget this remainder. First step we should do here is that this remainder we must subtract from the number. There is given two numbers, okay, which is 773 and another is 1313, and the remainder, because leaving a remainder in each case. So from the both the number, okay, this 8 we have to subtract, okay, to find the greatest number. Here the main problem is we need to find the greatest number from these questions, okay. So after subtracting 8, okay, from both the number, we found here 765, okay, and here 1305 we found here, okay. After that, as you know that we should divide this 1305 by 765, isn't it? Because this one is a greater one, this one is smaller one. So from smaller one to greater one, okay? So we should divide this greater one by smaller one. 765, okay, 1305, okay. So one times of 765 will be 765 only. We can't divide two times, because two times will give 1305, it will be the greater number than this 1305. So it is not possible to divide by greater number, okay. So that's why I put it one times, which is 765. This time we need to subtract. If we subtract this 5 from 5, we will get 0. It is not possible to subtract 6 from 0, so we need to borrow 1 from 3. If we borrow 1, it will be 10. After subtracting 6 from 10, we will get 4. Now what left here? 2. 1 to 12. Now if we subtract 7 from 12, it will be 5 only. Okay, this time we get here 540 as a remainder, okay. But in next step, this remainder becomes divisor, okay, and this 765 becomes dividend, okay. In first step 1305 was dividend and 765 was divisor, no. So in second step, whatever remainder we've got here, this remainder becomes divisor now, okay. And this 765, which was divisor here, it will become it will be dividend now, okay. Now see, if we think how many times we can divide 607. Now see here, how many times we can divide 765 by 540. If we think it as a generally one times we can give it, because 2 times of 540 is 1080, like that. So we cannot divide 2 times, okay. So 1 times only. So 1 times of 540 is 540 only, isn't it? So we write 540. Now we should subtract 0 from 5. After subtracting 0 from 5, we'll get 5 only. After subtracting 4 from 6, we'll get 2 only. If we subtract 5 from 7, there will be 2 only. In second step, we get 225 as a remainder. Now again, in this step also same process we have to follow. Now this 225 becomes divisor now, and this 540 becomes dividend, okay. 540, okay. 225 2 times, okay. If we give it 2 times, then it 2 times 225 is 400, 50. Now subtract. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 4, so borrow 1 from 5, it will be 14. After subtracting 5 from 14, we will get here 9. We had already taken 1 from 5, no? So what left here? 4. If we subtract 4 from 4, we will get below 0. Nothing. So no need to write anything. So this times we found here 90 as a remainder, but it will convert now into divisor, isn't it? So 225 becomes dividend here, so write here as a dividend 225. Okay, so 90 two times, if we divide it, it will be 180. Now subtract 180 from 225, what will be? If we subtract 18 from 22, it will be 45. Okay, simply. Now again divide this 90 by 45, 2 times. Okay, 2 times 45 is 90. At last we did not get any remainder. That means this is the last stop of this SCF. Okay, so in 45, okay, 45 is the last stop of this division SCF. Okay, it's a division of SCF. Because why? Because we didn't get any remainder here, so 45 is the last stop. So the required HCF is 45 here. Okay, we can write the last stop is 45. So the required HCF is 45. No, so at last, therefore we can write here. Okay, 45 is the greatest number which divides okay, which divides 773 and 1313, leaving a remainder eight. Okay, this is the solutions of these questions. Now see here, there is question number 7 and 8 also in the book. Okay, watch this video everybody. Okay, and 7 and 8 is like that. Okay, same as number 6. Do it, try this at home. Okay, as much as you can. Hope you will do this. Next video I will send you tomorrow. Okay, till that time to practice this 7 and 8 also.